Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. Now I am standing in my garden. There are some mango trees in my garden. The mango tree is very popular tree in our country. It is known as the king of fruits. People of all ages love to eat mango. It has many green leaves and branches. It gives us cool shade in summer. In the summer season, the tree produces mangoes. Mangoes are sweet and juicy and very delicious. They are also good for our health. The mango tree is very useful to us. It gives us fruits, shade, and fresh air. We should plant more trees and take care of them. And finally, I said that I like mango very much. It is my favorite fruit also, and I enjoying eating ripe mangoes every summer. Thank you for watching my video.